Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you another project featuring products from the Cat Scrappiness shop. And today I thought I would do kind of a fun fold card. So we are going to be working with the floral heart die and the I love you sentiment with the shadow dies. And then I'm kind of picking like a tone on tone kind of a color palette that I wanted to go with some pinks and whites. We're going to be doing a gatefold card here. And the dimensions of this card are going to be 4.5 by 6. So you're going to want to score it at 2.25 on either side, fold it in. And then I just took like a little sliver off of one of the sides just to make sure that they would close without touching. Now I'm going to go and cut out the floral heart die. I cut it out 6 times, and then I layered them all on top of each other. I did the same thing with the love and the U. I cut out each one twice and then layered them on top just to give it a little bit of dimension. I also used a wood grain embossing folder on the pink and then a polka dotted one on the light pink. And now I'm just going to glue these down to my panel. And this panel will be trimmed down. Right now it is 4.5 by 6, and I will trim it down to be slightly smaller than each side of the panel right there. So what I'm going to do is, at first I tried to cut it with my little mini cutter and it almost ruined the whole thing. So I went over to the big cutter and I cut it properly. And then I just kind of trimmed it down on the edges until it would give me that white border all the way around. And now I'm going to attach each side to the panel. And at this point I would say leave off the top or do a belly band, because once I got the whole thing put together, I was like, you know what, I don't really like that top card in the middle holding it together. I think a thin belly band with that dark pink heart in the middle and then the love you on top of it would look better, because after I got that whole thing put together, and I'm probably going to do that, I bet you anything that I take this card apart and I put that belly band on it, because I like the way it looks right now. I think that's really, really pretty, and I think just that one single heart in the middle with a thin belly band around it would be much prettier than this, because it just looks weird to me having the top of the heart way up there and the bottom, it just looks weird. But anyway, can't do anything about it now because the video is done and I'm already late getting it up. Sorry, cat. I had to work and I could not get up early enough to get this out before Saturday. But anyway, hopefully this will give you at least an idea of something that you can do a little bit different, because these dies are so versatile. You can use them for any holiday. And because it's a floral heart die, this would be an awesome Mother's Day. Change up the colors, put mom in the middle of that heart, and you have got like a gorgeous Mother's Day card. And I think that's what I'm going to use this for as well. But for now, I'm going to use the Love You. I'm going to sparkle it up with some finishing touches. I put a few little sparkly gems in each side of one of the flowers there, and then I used my shimmer pen on the Love You, so it's super sparkly. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I know this is a super quick video, but I wanted to make sure that I could share a few more projects with you, and I will see you again next Friday for some more stuff from Cat Scrappiness. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.